Hi, I'm Kirby Woods with Fendt. Today I'm going to show you the 30-foot Momentum planter we just released last year. We brought it to the show with us. A couple highlights on the 30-foot. We took a lot of the features that you may have saw in the 40 and the 60-footer, the larger ones, and put that in a smaller package. So if there's if I'm a little bit smaller acre farmer, or I have smaller fields, or I need a little bit more of a compact planter, to get in some of the tight locations in the fields, a little more maneuverable. We wanted to offer those guys that needed that size planter, but give them the technology that they want out of the current Momentum planter. So a couple of those features are, we have our VTC, vertical contouring toolbar, which means we can flex and follow the terrain better than any other planter on the market. Our vertical contouring toolbars can move 52 inches. That allows that planter to really walk over the terrain. And that's important because we want to keep our seed at depth. So when we set a depth, that VTC helps us maintain that depth. So we get better emergence, better stand, and better yield. Another feature on the Momentum planters that's common on the 30-foot, we have our load logic system. And the load logic system is designed to really minimize compaction and pinch rows. So if you look at our wheel setup, we don't have any tires that are surrounding rows, so we eliminate those pinch rows. We also have with our load logic system, we transfer the weight. So in our axles, we have something called a smart spindle, where we're always measuring how much weight each tire is carrying. And then since we can measure something, we can always be adjusting. So we'll take that weight reading and then use it to balance the planter weight as we go through the field. So as my bulk tanks change, so as I plant through my liquid and my seed, the weight on the center frame changes. So I'm going to have to transfer less weight out to the wings. But when I fill back up, I have to transfer more weight. So I can always balance that planter so that I'm not creating those compaction zones. That also, part of load logic is tied to a tire inflation system that's also automatic. So I'm using that weight reading again to maximize my tire footprint. So I'm minimizing compaction. If you want to learn more about the Momentum planter, please reach out to your local Fendt dealer, or please visit us at Fendt.com.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and I'm here to show you the air blaster system Fendt just came up with. It's a product we built to get rid of corn leaves, bean dust, and whatever you can have on your feeder house while harvesting. So we created this product to get avoid of that. It's a very simple system. It consists of an air tank you see right here. They are supplied by the original air system from the combine. We just added this one to accumulate some high pressure right next to your feeder house to keep it clean. Right after the air tank, you have a valve you can control from cap by using this controller. It's very simple to operate. You have two options. You can blast whenever you want on the manual button, it's this one, and you can turn it into auto mode by pressing this one, and by turning it into auto mode, it will operate each 1.5 minutes automatically all day long, which means you can stay in seed, have a nice time and a comfortable harvest. Right after the valve I talked about before, all the air will flow out to this air pipe laying over a feeder house, and it will blast away all the leaves you have right there. As another option, you have those shorter pipes which are magnetized, so they're really easy to move. So when you're unhooking your header or hooking it up, you're just placing them on the feeder house or wherever you want on your head. If we have to talk about the benefits of this system, there's a lot of them, because first of all, you raise the comfort a little, because you don't have to go out of the cab all the time to clean it up. Due to that, there's also some safety in it, because you don't have to walk around on your feeder house where there's a high risk to falling down. You also lower the risk of a fire by keeping this area clean all the time. To find more information about this system and to buy and order, visit our website.
Hi, I'm Blake Bollinger with Fendt Marketing. I'm excited to introduce to you the 200 series Fendt tractors that we have here today. Behind me is the Fendt 200S. We also are going to have the Orchard and Vineyard series, which is going to be the 200V, the 200F, and the 200P. The horsepower range is going to run from 94 to 124 horsepower. Something that we're really excited about in this class that's industry exclusive is we are going to have guidance that's built in. So no steering wheel units or anything like that, fully integrated guidance. Everything that you can get in your 1000 series, you can also get in this 200 series. Behind that, we're going to have our well-renowned Fendt Vario CVT, so seamless transition from reverse to forward, no clutches, no ranges, anything like that that you have to shift, and infinite speeds in between that. We're also excited to have closed center hydraulics in this tractor, an exclusive in this size of machine for the industry, so you can really run those high demand applications. Maybe you got a small planter, you want to run a vacuum motor or a snow blower, hydraulic auger, those kind of things. You can run those demanding applications without overheating. Like the rest of our bigger machines, we're also going to have front and rear 3 points available. So on the front, we're going to have 3 variations of that. You could have position control, you could have also load relief. So if you have a front mower or a front snow blower and you want to be able to control that flotation hydraulically, you have the ability to do that. If you'd like to learn more about the Fendt 200 series, please visit us at Fendt.com or visit your local dealer.
Hey guys, Luke Weller here with AGCO. I'm the engineering manager behind the SimplEbale product here. This is available through AGCO parts and your Massey Ferguson dealer. And this is a really new, exciting product for us. You finally have the ability to give some of those large square baler features into your existing 1800 series small square baler. So right here I'm with the 1842S. This is a newer baler for us here in North America. More of a high capacity or high density 2-string 14 by 18 inch baler. Well, SimplEbale has a lot to offer to this baler and some of the others that we also sell. So for SimplEbale, 1840, 1844S, those are the first 2 balers that we're launching this product on. You're going to get those large square baler features like bale length, flake count, density control from the cab, moisture sensor compatibility, all those different things that you see in a large square baler or a round baler, now finally in that small square package. The best thing is you can now put this on any baler that you have on the existing lot. You can put one on a brand new baler that you happen to buy yesterday or will buy, or you can put this on even a much older baler with just a little bit of ingenuity. So SimplEbale is that simple. We called it SimplEbale for a reason, because all you have to do is put a harness on, put a few sensors on, and if you really want to go the full length, you can put our optional bale scale on. Talk about full automatic control. That's what everybody wants. Automatic bale control gives you that consistent bale weight over and over again. And what the 3 things you need to remember when you think of SimplEbale is operator efficiency, increased bale formation, and increased service and reliability. From that bale formation and density, providing that bale in the right package, right size, right weight, right flakes, all the way to the service and reliability. You've got all new LED lights, service lights, field lights, all your fuses, relays are located in one center. And the best part, this monitor here does it all. You can update this monitor with your phone. We've really given that back to people so that they can really maximize when they want to be in the field. So if you want to learn more about this product, please go to your Massey Ferguson or AGCO parts dealer for more information.
All right, hi guys, my name is Nick Ricks for the Ag Revolution. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 9816 VE Massey planter. We're going to come at the cab first. We have a Gen 3 2020 that comes stock with this planter. It also comes stock with Delta Force, VSET 2, and V-Drive. We're going to talk about Delta Force first. That is our hydraulic downforce that we control the depth of our seating, and that will lead into that we can adjust depth on every row. That's the only row unit in the industry that can do that right now. Follow that up with our vacuum meter and our VSET 2, very reliable and dependable meter. We drive the edge of the meter, we don't drive the center, so we reduce torque. and we can have a lot more accurate placement that way. We're going to talk about a little bit on the liquid. You can get 500 gallons on the tongue from the factory that is plumbed to the row. That way if you're going to have V-applies or a Sentinel system, it's already plumbed mostly for you. You just got to add the controller and the pump. It's going to could come with a ground dry pump from the factory, and I think there's also a centrifugal option. We're going to come standard with Wave Vision C tubes, and probably going to have closing of your choice. You can get it with or without tailboard, so if you did want to add ferro force down the road. Guys, if there's anything else that you need to know about these planters, please visit your local Massey dealer or MasseyFerguson.com.